Good morning, this is Ryan Steele here at MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Right now I'll be walking you through our 2018 Sea Ray 270 SDX Outboard. This boat here has a gunmetal black metallic gel coat. So that's very cool to see in person. I'll go ahead and give this over to my partner here and he will let me walk through the boat while I show you all the features. Start off here, this does have a Mercury 350 Verado motor. It's the largest motor you can put on this boat and it really gets up and goes. A nice thing about the SDX model, whether it's inboard or outboard, is you can have the swim platform still be nice and large. When you do choose the outboard model though, you end up getting this massive storage space. Right now we have the entire cockpit covered with room for fenders and any other items you may need to take to the sandbar. Go ahead and do this down. Now this seat can be at an angle here or flat. All you have to do is lift up and then you can go ahead and place it flat like that. My contact info is right there. If you have any questions, please go ahead and give me a call. As you walk through, there is an in-floor cooler. Fill this up with ice and drinks. Right? Or you have a insulated cooler on board as well. There is a pull-out freshwater sprayer, so when you are getting out of the water, you go ahead and hose off all the salt water. If you are into water sports, you've got a great tow bar here. This does go over the motor, so you can tow tubes or skiers, anybody you like. Down here in South Florida, we do have a lot of fixed docks at our restaurants. So having this side step is very nice. Step here, there's a little non-skid decking, and I can get right up out to the restaurant. This boat is shown in the ivory interior color, as evident by all the white around me, but you come on through, there's a huge social space to this boat. All right, we've got storage under both sides. The cooler's over here. This is an extremely deep storage that's going to go in probably about a little over 2 feet, maybe 2.5 feet deep. Nice large space. This boat does have the black sports tower, so if you need to fold it up for towing, or if you need to put it in a storage area, you can collapse it and then unscrew this. This whole top will fold down. While you're at anchor, you can push both of these seat backs forward, and then you have this incredible social space for everybody to relax while you're at the sandbar. You do have plenty of shade here, and then you also have a great deal of sun out on the back deck. This seat is adjustable, so I can go ahead and move it back for the tall people, and then both sides here do have a thigh rise, flip up bolster, sit a little bit higher while you're running the boat. The dash is very sleek, simple. This is a Simrad 9-inch display. It's our digital dash, so this will have all of your engine data, your speed, your tachometer, fuel burn, your charts. Anything you need on this boat is all right here, so gone are the days of having all the little dashes or the little, what do they call it, Arnold? Analog gauges. So lighting switching on this side here, and then you do have your windlass and your water pump and the bilge pump. These will be for your hydraulic trim tabs, which help level the boat to port and starboard. As we scoot over to this side, you do have a nice deep head. This is a vacuum flush toilet. It will be the highest quality toilet you can get on board. This goes back to a holding tank, so you can pump it out when you're done on the water. Moving on forward, we have a nice wide bow. So part of the SDX model is that it carries the beam so much further forward so that people can still relax here and have 4 adults sitting inside the bow. Last but not least, we have an anchor windlass up forward. Once again, this boat is located here at MarineMax in Pompano Beach. My name is Ryan Steele. Give me a call or come on by and I'd love to show you through this boat or any other of the Sea Ray models we have in stock. Have a great day.